Alright, it's Aurora, and I'm back with Brother the Tale of Two Sons. Now, as I was saying before I got so rudely interrupted by the time being up, is that something very important happens after this scene, after this fight. But, you'll see. Look at that pitiful thing. Its noise it makes is so disgusting. Yeah, put your leg out. Ick. It got worse. Is that the music in the background? Is that the spider lady? Oh my god, so close to the end. No! Naya! This has gotta be the worst way to start a video. Naya, no! And he seems to know what's happening somehow. Naya... Wait, I'm confused. Did all that turn to glass suddenly? Or were we in like a glass dome? I'm really confused. That is not a good thing to happen to someone who's dying. Naya! We'll save you! Oh, it's the tree we had to go to. And that would have been so easy to miss, too. You can't die. This is why you don't trust people like that. We have to climb the tree. There's a chance we can save him. Alright, guys. Let's save Naya. Look how high we are. You can even see Naya down there. We reached the top, guys. And this whole adventure happened because of magic water. Yeah. I know it's supposed to be sad, but that's kind of funny. I can't think about humor right now. Now, let's go down a slide. That sounds like fun. Oh no, this isn't fun. This is completely dangerous. I'm confused by this so much. I went through so much together. The question I have is how long does he spend here while he knows that his dad is still dying? Now the game really knows how to be a real jerk. This is terrible. This is probably the saddest game I've ever played at this point. Now I add sad music to make it worse. At least that bird's still alive. The griffin. I thought you were dead. That came out a lot more angry than I want it to be. Oh my god. This game has never actually made me cry except now on camera. His arm is glitching through the griffin! That's how you end a sad moment, with something so hilarious like that. His arm went through the griffin! I'm still crying. Oh, I can't see it, but I am. But now we're returning to familiar ground. Return home. God, I think next video is gonna be the last. No, it definitely is gonna be the last. I wish I could finish in this video, but we have less than a minute. Oh no, what is he gonna do with his brother? How is he gonna cross the river? Oh, and I think this cutscene's gonna get cut off by timeout, so I'm just gonna let you watch the cutscene, and Aurora out!